Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle. Well, today I'm going to show you how I hope to get some nice strong early spring onions next year. So in the end of winter, beginning of spring, let's show you what I'm going to be doing. You might remember these from my greenhouse tours. These are the walking onions. They've come back quite strong. But the last time you saw these, they had some heads on them. You know, the heads are the bulbs for the next year's plants. Now what you can do is you can use these bulbs basically as spring onion sets. So you plant them off and let them grow. And once they're grown, they make quite strong plants quite quickly. So after a couple of weeks, you get stuff that's ready to transplant out. And then you can just pop them into your beds. And over the winter, these will get stronger and bigger, and by spring, be a nice healthy crop of spring onions.